एक बार सेंटर पे एक कपल आए. It was a case of domestic violence and the wife had decided to move away. And then they come to the center and we start talking to them about his childhood and what he had gone through. And at the end of it, she understood that it's a troubled childhood and insecurity deep inside in the husband. And that's why he was over possessive. And that's why he would reach a stage where he could even hit her. And so at the end of it, everything, we said, okay, now go back home. And she understood that she has to help him to heal himself. And just before leaving, she says to him, guarantee करो, इसके बाद कभी नहीं होगा ऐसा. He said so sweetly, he said, honestly, I never want to do it, but I don't know what happens to me at that time. But I promise you, I'm really going to try. She said, try नहीं चलेगा, guarantee करो कि फिर से नहीं होने वाला है. And while she was talking that entire conversation, she had been crying quite a lot. So I said, sister, आप guarantee करो, आप आज के बाद कभी नहीं रोओगे. She said, मैं try करूँगी. It's very easy to tell other people to change. Very easy to say, change karo. Because why? The sanskar which we don't carry, we feel it's so easy to change. Compassion means कि वो चीज़ सामने वाले के लिए एक बहुत deep rooted संस्कार है. वो क्या बोलने से change नहीं हो सकता. To change a sanskar, we don't need advice. To change a sanskar, we don't need to say it to the person again and again, change, 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 change. To change a sanskar, we only need love, care and support. That will strengthen the soul and the soul will change their sanskar. तो अगर अपने लिए try है, तो उनके लिए भी. जो संस्कार हमारे पास नहीं होता ना, हमें वो संस्कार समझ नहीं आ सकता. If I don't carry a sanskar of doubt, I will just not understand how can you doubt people. But the other person who doesn't have a sanskar of trust will say, I just can't understand. तुम हर एक को trust करते रहते हो ऐसे. होता है कि नहीं होता ऐसा? So it's not about right and wrong. It's just that the sanskar which I carry is the sanskar I understand. It's like a language. I just don't understand another language. So we have to help each other to gradually change their sanskars. But that will only happen when we accept their existing sanskar. तो इस flower को क्या करना है? इस flower को क्या करना है? इसको मुरझाने नहीं देना. ये फ्लावर वो रिश्ता है जो हमारे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, लेकिन हमारी एनर्जी उस रिश्ते को क्या करती जा रही है, और हमारी ही एनर्जी उस रिश्ते को क्या कर सकती है वापस. किसी से दवाई लेने नहीं जाना. Which means we don't need to go to anybody about what I need to do to my relationships. We can do it just by creating a shift here. So we shift from expectations is normal to what is normal? Acceptance is normal. Every day, just do it for 1 month and see. Every day, make this the mantra of your life. I accept each one as they are. बोलिए ज़रा. इसको ना सिर्फ बोलते रहो सारा दिन. इसको सिर्फ बोलते रहो सारा दिन अपने आप से. सिर्फ बोलते 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 भी क्या हो जाएगा? सिर्फ बोलते 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 भी क्या हो जाएगा? Expectations is natural, वो वाली फाइल डिलीट हो जाएगी. Yes, it will get deleted. How did that data get created on my CD? Because I heard, read, believed. Expectation normal है, expectation normal है, expectation normal है, expectation normal. Very deep sanskar on my chip. Expectation normal है. Now what do I have to do to that data? Delete. How will I do it? By copying another data. एक्सेप्टेंस नॉर्मल है. I accept each one as they are. Let that be the first thought of your morning. We are creating a new programming here. And the easiest thing to do before we change their sanskar, the easiest thing to do is to change our sanskar. When we create expectations, the second thing we create is hurt. Any name on the screen of your mind saying they hurt me? Anyone's ever hurt you? Anyone wants to say what they did which hurt you? एक लाइन में क्या किया उन्होंने ऐसा जो हर्ट हो गया? अच्छा, बस उतना ही. They did not do the things the way I wanted them to do it. अच्छा, and hurt किया उन्होंने. अच्छा, अभी अभी पता है क्या हुआ? Someone just got up and walked away. I got very hurt. I came all the way from India. And they just couldn't even sit for 2 hours. They disrespected me. And I'm very hurt. And you know who's the cause of my pain? Do you know who's the cause of my pain? मैं थोड़ी, वो उठ के चले गए सामने से. राइट है ना बात? राइट है ना बात? Yes or no? They didn't do the way I wanted them to do. They were not the way I wanted them to be. They just got up and walked out. How could they do this to me? Right है ना? अगर मैं 24 घंटे की फ्लाइट बैठ कर आ सकती हूँ तो आप भी 2 घंटा बैठ सकते हैं. आप मेरे लिए इतना भी नहीं कर सकते थे. मैं अपना घर 25 दिन के लिए छोड़ के आई हूँ, आप अपना घर 2 घंटे के लिए छोड़ के नहीं आ सकते थे. हाँ, ऐसा. यू डिसरिस्पेक्टेड मी. राइट है ना? राइट है ना? रॉन्ग है? अच्छा, ये रॉन्ग लग रहा है सारा. क्यों रॉन्ग लग रहा है ये? मेरे को तो बहुत राइट लग रहा है. They hurt me and I'm never going to forget what they did today. And I promise I'll never come back to this city again. Because people here just don't love me. They don't know how to respect me. This is how I start talking. आपको ये राइट नहीं लग रही मेरी बातें? That means you also don't love me. जो लोग हमारी साइड नहीं लेते ना, हमें वो अच्छे नहीं लगते लोग बिल्कुल भी. And why do you feel I'm wrong in believing that they disrespected me because they walked out? Why do you believe that I'm wrong in feeling that? Wasn't it wrong of them to just get up and walk out like that? It was not wrong? They wanted it that way. So they can just get up and walk out. They might have an emergency. अच्छा, they must have. अच्छा, वो डॉक्टर हो सकते हैं और उनको इमरजेंसी कॉल आई होगी. अच्छा, और कोई इतना कंपैशन आप उनके लिए क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा मेरे लिए भी क्रिएट कर लो. मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा है इस टाइम. आई एम सो हर्ट इनसाइड. Is all this making sense? Yes? And we will not see this sense because we are so held up with our own pain and hurt inside that we will never even think that they had a reason for what they did. Because the wound is created because I believed that only those who sit for 2 hours respect me and those who get up in the middle disrespect me is a belief system on my CD. And the minute somebody did what I believed was disrespect, I said, you hurt me. अब उन्होंने तो क्या किया था? सिर्फ प्यार से, धीरे से, बिना कोई आवाज़ किए चुपचाप चले गए. So who hurt me? Who hurt me? It is what I spoke to myself after they did what they did. Had I been as intelligent as you and said to myself, emergency hogi, jana pada. Or even if I had been a little more intelligent that and said, bore ho rahe the yaar, ghar chale gaye, I would have created no hurt, no pain, nothing. So who created the hurt for me? Who created the hurt for me? So who hurt me? Who hurt me? What is that one name who hurt me? आपकी लिस्ट छोटी हो गई अब. People will only do what they feel is right. We are not saying that what they feel is right for me. It may not be. See, एक और उठ के जा रहा है अभी, देखो कैसे कर. Nobody loves me. लेकिन वो जो वापस गए, वो चले गए थे, वो वापस भी आ गए. The easiest way, if people are moving away from you in relationships, radiate so much love and respect कि वो वापस आ जाएंगे इस तरह से. वापस आ गए. And यही अगर हम यहाँ से बैठकर heavy energy भेज देते, they don't love me, they don't respect me, they don't love me, they don't respect me, अगर वो वापस आना भी चाहते तो भी वो बहुत दूर चले जाते. Who hurts me? Who hurts me? Who hurts me? The way I think after they do what they do. The whole world may not be my way. Nobody in my relationships will be my way. But if only I can talk nicely to myself, I will never create pain. I will never create pain. And the opposite to that, everybody could be my way. Someone could sit here for 2 hours, 3 hours, wait to meet me. After that, they will talk very nicely to me. So they are perfect behavior. And then I create a thought. क्या चाहिए था इनको मेरे से? इतना अच्छे से क्यों बात कर रहे थे ये? हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? It's nothing to do with their behavior. It's about how I think after they do what they do. People can cheat me, people can betray me, people can hit me, people can physically abuse me, but nobody can emotionally hurt me. Who can hurt me? यहाँ अंदर कोई नहीं घुस सकता. बाहर सब कुछ कर सकते हैं वो. Never give anyone the power by saying, you hurt me, because they don't have the power to hurt me. They don't have the power to hurt me. But we believe they hurt me, and second, we believe they will heal me. तो फिर हम अपना ऐसे उनके सामने बैठ जाते हैं और बोलते हैं सॉरी बोलो, सॉरी सॉरी बोलो. बोलते हैं कि नहीं सर, सॉरी बोलो? होता है कि नहीं? सुबह सुबह चले गए, ओ वो भी वापस आ गए. Everyone's coming back. See, all your love and respect getting everybody back. This is it. People are just doing what is right for them. But just because it doesn't match with our definition of right, we start creating wrong thoughts, and those thoughts start creating the pain. But because we created those thoughts after they did what they did, we say they hurt me. And now they will heal me. This is a victim who's living their life like this, saying, give me love, give me respect. I hurt myself, and I need to say sorry to myself for all the pain that I have caused in so many years. And now there's only one person who can heal me, and that's me. And how will I do that? By thinking right and being nice to myself, even when people are not being nice to me. एक सीक्रेट अपने साथ आज लेकर जाना. Even if everyone is nice to you, if you don't think right, you'll never be happy. And if no one is nice to you and you think right, you will always be happy. तो power किसके पास है? पावर किसके पास है? हमारे पास है. Their right and my right may not match, may never match, may never match. But I need to know how to think when they do what they do. People around us will be with their sanskars. Don't get sucked into their weakness. Pull them into our peace and positivity by just sending those pure thoughts. Easy है? Easy है? Easy है? कितना easy है? रोज कर सकते हैं? रोज कर सकते हैं? Yes? If somebody is jealous, they are in pain. When they are in pain, they will not talk or behave nicely with us. And if we say, ये ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हैं? What are we sending to them? What are we sending to them? We are adding pain to their pain. We all create compassion for physical ailments. We all create compassion for mental health issues. We need to start creating compassion for emotional illnesses. Emotional illnesses कौन सी होती है? Emotional illness, anger. 2, irritation. 2, 3, jealousy. 4, hurt. 5, fear. 6, doubt. 7, stress. 8, worry. These are all illnesses that don't allow a person to be normal. But when somebody is going through that emotional illness, we don't question, how can you be like this? We radiate. Because we started questioning each other's emotional pain, we got sucked into each other's pain and we caught the infection of the other person's illness and we were in more pain than what they were. So when you see people around you going through insecurity, going through jealousy, going through fear, compassion for them. But to have compassion for them, what state of mind will we have to be in? What state of mind will we have to be in? Pure, positive, powerful. When someone comes in at a lower frequency, let's say anger is a frequency of 20, and you are at a frequency of 80. Now, you have two options. Either you get affected and come down to their frequency of 20, or they come and meet you and they rise to the frequency of 50. दोनों में से एक ही हो सकता है. लेकिन हम क्या होता है, बहुत जल्दी नीचे आ जाते हैं. तो हम उनको टाइम ही नहीं देते कि वो ऊपर आ सकते थे. लेकिन उनको ऊपर लाने के लिए हमें ऊपर रहना पड़ेगा. और हमें ऊपर रहने के लिए रोज़ हमें अपना ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Emotional immunity systems will need to build up now. It's not relationships which are getting complicated. It is people who are in the relationships who are not nurturing themselves, not strengthening themselves on a daily basis, are finding simple things difficult. This table, how many of you can lift this table? Everyone can lift. Some of us can lift this table with 2 hands. Some of us can lift this table with 1 hand. And some of us will need only 3 fingers to lift this table, right? Same table. Somebody needs 2 hands, somebody needs 1 hand, somebody needs 3 fingers. Depends on the weight of the table? Depends on the weight of the table? No, depends on. Now I can lift this table with 2 hands today. 10 days I don't eat well. On the 10th day, I will not be able to lift this table even with 2 hands. And when I'm not able to lift that table with 2 hands, I'll say, table भारी हो गई. हम आज कहते हैं रिश्ते मुश्किल हो गए हैं. हम आज कहते हैं पेरेंटिंग डिफिकल्ट हो गई है. टेबल भारी नहीं हो गई, हम कमज़ोर हो गए थे. एंड अब हम 5 दिन फिर से खाना खा लेंगे तो 5 दिन के बाद I will be able to lift this table with 1 hand. So don't complain about the table. Don't complain about the situations in life. Don't say problems are there outside. It's just that I haven't been nurturing myself. 2 जनरेशन पहले एक फैमिली के अंदर 5, 6, 8 बच्चे रहते थे. होते थे? होते थे? आज 1. एंड फिर भी कहते कितना स्ट्रेस है, कितना स्ट्रेस है, कितना स्ट्रेस है. Parent-child relationship was always beautiful, will always be beautiful. How can a parent-child relationship be the cause of stress? It is because the parent is not emotionally nurturing themselves. And then when they look at their children who are not emotionally strong, sometimes they create worry for them. And when they worry for them, they deplete them and they deplete themselves. Moral responsibility of every parent to emotionally strengthen their children. They will need to emotionally nurture themselves. क्या करते हैं हम अपने इमोशनल नरिशमेंट के लिए डेली? कुछ भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. तो कोई चीज़ का ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे तो वो धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाएगी? Lot of energy is outside. There is a lot of pain around us. The offices in which you work, where there are 1,000 people around you, everything may look perfect outside, but those 1,000 people carry their vibrations to work every day, and you are there in the middle of that collective vibration of stress, anxiety, fear, anger. It's going to affect our vibration. So we have to really nurture and strengthen ourselves every day. Gone is the time where meditation could be a choice. I personally believe meditation is no more a choice for anybody. Meditation is now a necessity. It's now a necessity because when the infections around us rise, we will have to protect ourselves. Protect ourselves so that we are able to heal ourselves, our family, and most important, where we are able to be in vibrations of another frequency and still remain at there. And here you could have a colleague who's jealous, trying to pull you down, criticizing you repeatedly, and you will be there at your 80. Possible? Possible? Very easy. If you nourish yourself on a daily basis. And that's what meditation does. 2 hours here this evening. Just 2 hours. Did it set you thinking that there is a shift which we can create? Did it set us thinking? Yes, it did. This is what Gyan does. This is what Gyan does. That when we take it in, it sets us thinking, yes, I can change this little here, a little here, a little here, and I can heal things which are not going right today. But I would need this nourishment on a daily basis. On a daily basis. And if I start nourishing myself on a daily basis, within a month or 2 months, it won't even take that much time, but within a month or 2 months, you are going to say, acceptance is absolutely the natural way to be. After all, we are human beings. We are human beings. So human beings know that everybody is going to be. Human beings know that everybody is going to be different, and so we know that acceptance is the normal way to be. But to accept other people, I have to be charged. If I'm depleted, I need people to be my way. If I'm strong, I can pick up any weight of the table. If I'm weak, I need the table to be my way. If I'm weak, I need the world to be my way. If I'm strong, I allow the world to be their way because I take personal guarantee. Be who you want to be because I am emotionally independent. I will not get affected by what you do and how you behave. That's the personal guarantee we have to create. And when we do that, we will remain healed. And most important, when we remain healed, Our love, our respect, our blessings to them will heal them. You cannot give a bigger gift than that to your family. You just cannot give a bigger gift to your family when you become emotionally independent, where your emotions don't get fluctuated with their behaviors, and where you allow them to be who they are. Advise them, and then let them be who they are. There cannot be a bigger gift in relationships. But for that, I need to nourish myself daily. है टाइम आधे घंटे का रोज? है टाइम आधे घंटे का रोज? हाँ जी, हाँ जी. अभी माइंड कहेगा मतलब सुबह सुबह ये भी करना होता है, ये भी करना होता है, ये भी करना होता है, वैसे ही भाग भाग कर तो पहुंच रहे हैं अभी आधा घंटा और. What we are trying to say is, I want to use my phone the whole day, but I don't have time to charge it. I want to eat the fruit of my tree every day, but I don't have time to water the seed. And when I do that, everything that I do during the day takes me longer than what it should do, because a depleted battery is doing everything that we are doing. 3 months, take out half an hour. Make an effort. It will be an effort in the first 3 months. Time निकालना पड़ेगा. 3 महीने के बाद आप कहेंगे टाइम ही टाइम है, बताओ और कुछ करना है तो बोलो, वो भी करते हैं. Because sorted out here. No baggage here. Clean here. No hurt here. No past here. No hatred here. No jealousy here. No resentment here. Flying at a higher frequency is going to do everything faster than what they were doing before. ये सारा कुछ जो आज आप देख रहे हैं, this entire event, morning's event, tomorrow's event, everything, ये किसने किया है? Who's organized these events? सब सामने आइए, the entire family who's organized these events. Everybody come in the front, please. Everyone. Just come right in the front. Let everyone see who's organized these events. दीदी आप भी आइएगा. Come up, everybody. जहाँ भी आप खड़े हैं, जहाँ भी आप बैठे हैं, come up. Now, some may be familiar faces. If they are not, none of these are those who have left their jobs, left their families, and are surrendered and staying in the ashram only doing seva. No. They are all married. They are here with their spouse. They are all working in one of those companies of Silicon Valley. So we'll have Google, we'll have Facebook, we'll have Apple, we'll have Microsoft, we have Dell, we have Intel, we have GE, and we have everybody else here. ये वही हैं. कुछ साल पहले ये उस कुर्सी पर बैठे थे उधर, जहां आज आप बैठे हैं. And they were here for one of the events. And that day they took a decision that I will take out my half an hour. It was not easy for them that day. They also have children. They also go to work. They also are not living with extended families here. They're even living far away from the centers. But that day they took a decision to take out half an hour. And that has changed their life and given them so much time that they're not only just managing their jobs and their families, while working, they have organized this 2 days, 4 events for all of you. They have done it. There's no event management company who did this. And which means when we start taking charge of ourselves, we have more time than what we had before. So are you ready to give lots of blessings to them for what they have done? Blessings to them for what they have done? Yes? Okay, Ji. Raise your hand, couples in this. Couples? रिश्ते टूटते नहीं, रिश्ते पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर बन जाते हैं. Okay, angels, thank you so much. They have contributed financially. They have taken charge of the financial preparations of entire 4 events. Money, easy to contribute. They have put in time for months to arrange this event. From where do they get so much time? From where do they get so much time? कैसे मिला? सिर्फ एक तरीके से. They take out half an hour every day for themselves. That's a secret which we are not using. That's a power which we are not utilizing because we are so busy taking care of other people without taking care of ourselves. And that's why we seem to be always so busy. But if we start taking care of ourselves first, then taking care of other people, now look at them, they're one of you. They're not taking care of only families, they're taking care of strangers whom they've never met before and maybe they will never meet before. कहाँ से आ गया इतना सेवा करने की ताकत और सेवा करने का टाइम? Because they are taking care of themselves. Self-care will give us the power to take care of other people. A relationship with myself is the foundation to build a beautiful relationship with other people. It just can't happen without the self. Because emotional health is something we cannot give to other people unless we are emotionally healthy ourselves. And just ask them, कहाँ से टाइम मिलता है ये करने का? क्योंकि हम तो बिलीव करते हैं आजकल मरने की भी फुर्सत नहीं है और तुम क्या कर रहे हो? सोचो, सोचो. कहते हैं ना लोग आजकल मरने की भी फुर्सत नहीं है. ये बिलीफ सिस्टम कितना डिप्लीट करता है हमारे को कि मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, उसका इफेक्ट हमारे बच्चों पर आ रहा है आज. Even sitting at home, we're not even looking eye to eye. We're busy with our phones because we're so busy earning money for them. It's because we haven't taken care of ourselves. So now, ready to take out half an hour? Ready to take out half an hour? Yes? Ready to take out half an hour? Yes, it's a gift to ourselves, to our children, and to our those most beautiful relationships.